Looking for a quick and flavorful chicken tikka bites that you can make at home? In today's video, I will show you how to make juicy chicken tikka bites using simple ingredients right from your kitchen. Whether it's for a lunch, dinner, or a tasty evening treat, this chicken recipe is sure to impress. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's get started, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Start with 1 chicken breast, cut into small pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Tandoori Masala, 3 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Here I strained the yogurt using a sieve to remove any excess water. Now mix everything really well so the chicken is coated evenly with all that flavor. Now marinate for at least 15 minutes. This step is key for juicy and flavorful bites. Now in a small bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, half teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder and half teaspoon of lemon juice. This sauce will give our dish that perfect balance of sweet, spicy and tangy. Give it a good mix until everything is nicely combined. Set it aside for later. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the marinated chicken and fry for about 8 to 10 minutes until golden and fully cooked. Flip occasionally to cook evenly and keep it nice and juicy inside. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Once done, remove the chicken from the pan and keep it aside. In another pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it melts, add 2 to 3 cloves of chopped garlic and saute until fragrant. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped onion and 3 tablespoons of chopped capsicum. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now pour the prepared sauce and mix everything gently. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. And now add the cooked chicken and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce thickens. And finally, spread some chopped coriander leaves and 2 chopped green chilies for fresh and spicy flavor. And there you have it, delicious chicken tikka bites ready to serve. Each bite is juicy, spicy and flavorful. This easy recipe is perfect for snacks, lunch and dinner. Even a quick meal with naan or rice. With just a simple steps, you can make a restaurant-style dish right in your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty and easy to make recipes.